So you want to create a robots file. It is just a simple text file that instructs web crawlers how they should react with your site's pages and resources. It is created in the root of your WordPress directory. In my case, I already created a custom robots text file, which sets instructions for any user agent. Follow these sets of URLs and instructing them where the sitemap is. Okay. So to create a custom robots file, we will not create a robots file right in that directory, because I don't want to modify a publicly accessible file. I want to modify somewhere else, assign correct permissions, and move the changes to that directory. So you will create a file, use any kind of, it doesn't need to be nano file editor, and when you modify that file, you would assign 644 permission, which means you restrict the write access to the owner. And when you are finished, you would move the robots file to the target directory. And that is that. Easy peasy.